Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking firmware and power. Do that now. Update the Edge controller firmware if needed, and export any profiles. Next, power the Cronus Zen with a stable 5V to a source so peripherals won't brown out. Once powered, plug the Edge into the Zen using a USB-A to USB-C cable and set the Zen to pass-through mode. This lets controller signals route correctly. Make sure indicator LEDs show active connection before moving on. Once done, open Zen Studio and let it detect the Cronus Zen, accept drivers, and enable device debugging if prompted. Create or load a profile, then map each Edge input to the console actions you need. This is where accuracy matters, so test button mapping methodically. Adjust stick sensitivity and dead zones to match the Edge's physical range, and program any macros or remaps. Save the completed profile to the Zen's internal memory, so settings persist when you unplug the PC. Finish by testing on your target console. Verify every input, aim behavior, and any macros under real play conditions. If something is off, first reseat cables and try another USB port, then reboot the Zen. Simple resets often fix handshaking issues. If inputs remain unreliable, reinstall Zen Studio drivers, reset the Edge firmware, and reflash your saved profiles. This usually clears corrupt mappings. One key troubleshooting tip. A dirty or damaged cable often causes intermittent issues, so swap it early when diagnosing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.